What do we have here, boys? Welcome to another Tech Spot unboxing. Be okay coming at you with another video. I've been waiting for this one for real. You know, Apple just announced a new iPhone 14, so you know we had to get it in-house for y'all. So yeah, let's do this unboxing. Ooh. Sheesh. Even the box looks nice. But y'all already know they've been going with the new paper design. So yeah, no more plastic on the iPhones. Yeesh. You know how to go with the gold this time around. I'm gonna show y'all a comparison of the 13 Pro too, just so y'all can see it. Okay, more satisfying than I actually expected. What the? Sheesh. That stainless steel is shining, my boy. God. Okay, I'm already getting. God, but y'all seen the fingerprints I'm already getting on it? Fingerprints for days. Alright, this really don't be making no noise. Literally. But sheesh. Nah, for sure I can tell the difference in that camera size, bruh. Alright. No, they definitely did increase that camera size. Alright, Apple. God. Not actually. Sheesh. So that's another profile. Already getting fingerprints on this, huh? Anyway. Let's see what else they came with in the box this year. They really didn't give us really, the same one. Just the iPhone cable. No little clutch. It's Type-C nowadays though, because that's that fast charging with it. And then these. Is this a sticker too? What's this say? You no longer have a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com. Alright, so dang, I forgot about that actually. eSIM. Alright. What if my carrier don't got eSIM? But yeah, alright. So yeah, eSIM on the new iPhones nowadays. I don't even know how we gonna adjust to that. I don't know. Off jump, I can say the biggest difference I noticed is that camera size. Like, bro, that's actually pretty big. But tell me that gold don't look good though. Oh my god. My boy shining. That boy shining. The back kinda, it's alright. It's kind of like a whitish, goldish, whitish. But dang, the little gold ring around the fucking camera definitely is nice. I ain't gonna lie. Probably got that on the, what's it called, 13s too. Oh, dang. Okay, first thing I noticed for sure. I definitely see the little cutout like they showed on, what's it called? Like, cause we all saw those before release iPhones. And it definitely looks like the preview they had. Kinda, I don't know if y'all can see that. You can kinda, it's not gonna pick it up on camera. Yeah, I kinda see the little cutout. Let's see what that first bit. And now it just looks like the, alright, full screen type of. Wow, they actually did that nice. Like, bro. Yeah, I gotta hit like a super angle to really not see the little black LEDs in there in the center. But yeah, no, they did that nice. I'm not gonna lie. Jeez. Yeah, just gonna set this up real quick. So we got the iPhone 12 Pro right here, and we got the iPhone 14 Pro right here. Bruh. They definitely done increase the camera size, I can definitely say that much. Not gonna lie, that's like a dime. Like, a dime. Like, the coin. Nigga. So yeah, we definitely gonna be testing these cameras out. We gonna let you know how they looking. They did throw that new 48 megapixel camera in here for the first time. That's something definitely new I haven't seen in Apple, so yeah, definitely gotta check that out. Oh my god, guys, how could I forget? No break. No break. So yeah, go on and get you an Anchor Nano. You know they got fast charge. I'm gonna have a probably link down below. Go on and check them out. And yeah, that's the iPhone 14 Pro unboxing. I'm gonna have a review coming pretty soon. So you know, it's got like a couple of new features. I'm probably using like the maps in a notch and stuff like that. That's actually pretty clutch, and the little music popping up in a notch. So tune in. Review coming soon. Peace.